What's up, YouTube? We're back with the Bronco. I know it's been a long time. We did some fixes off camera just because we needed them to get done. But we just wanted to do an update video for you and kind of tell you what's been up with it for the last month or so. So, fun story, I parked in the garage, left for 2 days, came home, and there was gas on the ground, so had to replace the tank. And while they were doing the tank, I had them do the fuel pump, fuel straps, oil change, just have them do everything there. So we can show you that over here. You see the new fuel tank down there. Nice and not rusty.
Pretty new looking.
Yeah, it's new. Fuel straps and the fuel pump, like I said, is in there. And then for other things, if you want to come this way, this is kind of a big deal. We got the front end done with an alignment. You can see it's a little dark, but the brackets, ball pin joints right there.
Oh, cool.
That's on there. But yeah, that's not too much of an update, but I know some people have been asking, like, what's going on with the Bronco? So it's here, getting some fixes with it, getting it drivable at least. Obviously, we still have plans to do the rust right here, get this repaired. Still trying to find somebody to work on it. So if you guys know a body person in Connecticut, hit me up and we'll get it done. But yeah, it's a quick video for updating and just like that. AVI out.